Drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, power up.
Match 16. Goal is an autonomous to get your switch and cross the autonomous line. And if, like Riot Crew, you can get possession of the scale, your score is going to go up a lot. Both teams got yellow dots, successful autonomouses or autonomize. But Red's point is going up by 2 points per second and Blue just 1. So now let's see what teams do. Sometimes a strategy is just to try to win the scale. Another strategy is to take away the team's switch. That happens. 28-36 Team Beta starting to attack the blue team's switch. 28-36 Team Beta in red. 58 Riot Crew in red has taken the switch over for the Red Alliance. But Mechanical Mayhem, 15-19, getting it back for blue. We're balancing it up, and now we have 2 on the scale, and 58 and 61. 58 is successful, 61 is not. Mechanical Mayhem now scoring on their side of the scale. So it may have the same number of cubes, but the placement on the scale does have an effect. Because as you know, torque is a product of force times the lever arm or a radius from the point of pivot. And 15-19 just took advantage of that. 61 placing a cube on there, and it is just going back and forth. The score is still in favor of Red Alliance by about 40 points. We have a levitate for red and a levitate for blue. 1071 Team Max in blue is working the exchange, trying to get that vault filled. Mechanical Mayhem, 15-19. Blue places a cube, and here comes Riot Crew, 58, trying to place one on top, but is not having as much success as Mechanical Mayhem. This looks good for blue. About 10 points separate both teams. That sound means it's time for the climbs. Look how close those scores are. There's about 10 points between them. Each climb is worth 30 points. Just parking on your platform will get you 5 points. Mechanical Mayhem about ready to go up. Here comes 1768 next. Looks like they're going to climb up too. With that and the double climb, they could get under facing the boss. It's just a possibility. Pay attention, watch close. With 4 seconds left, are they going to be able to do it? 61 all the way up. Mechanical Mayhem comes up a little bit short. Here are the results of that match coming up on the board. Let's see what it does to the rankings. It was won by the Red Alliance. And the all-important ranking points, 3 for the Red Alliance, 324 to 312, the numerical result. The auto run, they both got one ranking point for their autonomous mode by placing a cube on their switch and crossing the autonomous line, which is that very imperceptible black piece of tape in front of their switch. Look at that ownership, only 2 points of difference. So let's see where it came out. For the vault, blue was 5 points ahead, but if you look at the end game, 2 climbs, 1 climb plus the levitate for the Red Alliance gave them the ranking point there. So the results in rankings were Team 61 went from 25th place up to 8th place. 58 went from 64 up to 40th. And Team Beta went all the way up to 32 from 45. Now you're going to see big moves like this in the rankings in these early matches. As we play more and more matches, the ranking moves will be much more subtle.